Okay, so today we will do mathematics. Okay, soalan sebenar SPM 2022, the actual SPM paper for maths. Okay, so first question, guys, I want to ask you, do you want me to ask all the question here to general or call specific name to answer the question? Mau saya tanya soalan kepada semua di sini atau panggil nama spesifik untuk jawab? You guys decide. You want general or specific person to answer? Just comment and see. I want to know what is the majority. Majority kata apa? General. Sama? Yang lain? General or specific? General. Okay, semua mau general. Okay, I expected that. Saya sudah jangka tu. Okay, so general means semua kena jawab. Okay, you all have to play your own role. Okay, come. Okay, so this is your first question. Ini adalah soalan pertama dalam SPM sebenar 2022. For kertas 2, kita buat kertas 2 hari ini, paper 2, okay? So let's read the question together. Okay, so they say it shows 2 points P and Q drawn on Cartesian plane. Okay, so you can see over here, dua titik dilukis atas satah kartes macam ni. You can see over here, it's drawn for you. Okay, so let's see the first question, what they ask you. They say mark point R, tandakan titik R, which has vertical distance of 5 unit from point P. Okay, vertical distance 5 unit from point P. So let's see the graph. Okay, guys. So can you tell me, apa coordinate titik P? What is the coordinate of P that you can read from this graph? Yes, very good, Afiq. Yeah, betul. 31, correct. Okay, if they say R has vertical distance 5 unit from P, what is now the coordinate of R? Apa coordinate R sekarang? Kalau vertical distance dia, jarak menegak dia 5 unit, what is the coordinate of R? Where should I mark it lah basically? Kat mana saya kena tanda R atas satah kartis ini? Where do I mark point R? Type for me the coordinate guys. Kat mana titik R atas satah kartis ini? Yes, very good, Shamnat. 36. Okay, this is where R is. Okay, guys, can you see? Vertical distance 5 unit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 unit vertical distance. So what is the coordinate of R? Is 36 based on what you mark. Okay, this is your first question. Done already. Hanya tandakan saja. Nothing else to do. Okay, just mark only. Okay, so now we see part B. Kita tengok part B pula. Calculate the distance between point R and Q. State the answer to 2 decimal place. Kena beri dalam 2 titik perpuluhan guys. Ingat jawapan kamu. Tak boleh lebih, tak boleh kurang. Cannot be more or cannot be less. Whenever soalan spesifik macam ni, kena patuh arahan soalan. You need to obey the question rule. Okay, you cannot just put whatever you like. So now R and Q. Okay, distance. How to calculate distance guys between 2 points? Macam mana nak cari jarak antara 2 titik? What formula do we use? Formula apa kena guna untuk cari jarak antara koordinat? There is one formula. No need to type out formula. Tak perlu type. But tell me the name of the formula. Apa nama formula tu? Image bahagi objek. Bukan. No. Now we want distance. Kita nak jarak sekarang. Yang tu yang kamu cakap faktor skala, Jazira. This is scale factor. The one you are talking. Yes, very good, Afix. Macam ni formula dia guys. I write out for you so that easier for you all to see. Wait, okay, this is the formula. Punca kuasa 2, X2 tolak X1 kuasa 2, Y2 tolak Y1 kuasa 2. Okay, this is the formula guys. Ini diberi dalam kertas matematik kamu, so tak perlu hafal. This is provided in your next exam formula sheet, so you need to memorize. Okay, so this is the distance formula, formula jarak dalam BM. Okay, so now you have 2 coordinates. They want the distance of Q and R. Okay, you see over here. So can you tell me guys, apa coordinate Q? Can you tell me the coordinate? Cuba type kat saya. What is the value of coordinate Q? Yes, very good. Negative 2, 1. Bagus. Okay, R kita dah cari tadi. R is 36. Okay, so now we have to apply the formula. Kita kena aplikasikan formula yang Afiq bagi tahu tadi. Okay, so saya nak tanya guys, I want to ask you. X1, Y1, X2, Y2. Adakah ini tetap untuk titik ini dan titik ini saja atau kita boleh tukar antara satu sama lain? Are these 2 points fixed for only R and S or we can change like how we like? Kat mana kita nak letak X1, Y1, 2, X2, Y2, 2. Adakah ia tetap atau boleh berubah? Yes, very good. Anywhere also can, guys. Yes, can change. Very good. As long kamu kena pair betul lah. X kena pair dengan Y. X kena pair dengan Y. Okay. So, ini adalah cara dia. So, let's say saya buat macam ni lah. X1, Y1, X2, Y2. So, sekarang saya gantikan dalam formula. I substitute in my formula. So, square root X2, 3. X1, negative 2. Kena bubuh bracket dah guys. Sebab 3 tolak dengan negative 2. 3 minus negative 2 must put bracket. Or else answer akan salah dah. And then Y2 is 1 tolak dengan 6. Y2 adalah 6 kat sini. Okay. 6 kuasa 2. Okay, so can you tell me the final answer guys? Cuba kira apa jawapan akhir kamu? Two decimal place lah guys. 2 titik perpuluhan sahaja. Kena patuh arahan soalan. Yang ni dalam bentuk units lah. The unit for this answer must write units. Bila kamu tulis jawapan. So how many units guys? Can you press calculator? Cuba tekan calculator kamu. Apa jawapan dia kat sini? Yes, very good Syamnat. 7.07. 2 decimal place kena accurate guys. Okay, must be tepat. Okay, so this is question 1 dalam SPM kamu. Dah habis dah soalan pertama. So can you understand this question guys? Boleh faham seluruh soalan ni? Soalan 1? Quite easy, right? Tak begitu susah pun yang ni. This is not that difficult. Ini dari topik lower form. This is from menengah rendah. Okay, matematik menengah rendah. Okay, so let's proceed. Basically solution ada kat sini. So tak perlu salin lah guys. Saya dah buat untuk kamu di sini. So you can refer over here. This is the solution for this question. Okay, so answer is 7.07. Okay, so can you comment if you are finished with this question? If you are okay, cuba komen okay. Kat ruangan komen sebelum saya pergi soalan kedua. Okay, good. So next one. Okay, this chapter. Which form guys? Tingkatan berapa soalan ini? Cuba nampak. I try to zoom in for you. Tingkatan berapa ni? Yes, betul. Tingkatan 4. Which topic? Bab berapa? No, bukan bab 2, first. Not chapter 2. This one is, yes, bab 8. Betul, correct. Form 4, chapter 8. Okay? This one you will learn in Form 4, chapter 8. Form 4, bab 8. Okay, so this is your set of numbers over here. So you want to find first quartile and second and interquartile range. Okay, Form 4 kat sini. Have you all learned this chapter already? All the Form 4 over here. Have you reached this chapter in your school? Dah sampai ke bab ni? Not yet, Some yes, some no. Tapi Form 5 akan tahulah. Form 5 should know this chapter. Okay? So, never mind. Yang baru boleh belajar juga. If you never learn yet, you can try to learn a bit also first. Okay, so let me write out bigger for you all so that kamu boleh nampak dengan lebih senang. (13, 16, 20, 21). Okay guys, first quartile. Apa simbol untuk menggambarkan kuartil pertama? What is the symbol we use to show first quartile? Mathematical symbol. Yes, correct. Q1. Okay. So, apa nilai Q1? What is the value of Q1? Dari perkataan ni sebenarnya kamu boleh tahu dah nilai. First quartile. Quartile means how many? What is the total quartile? Qua. The first prefix. Bahagian depan perkataan tu. Yes, very good. 1/4. First is 1. Quartile means 4 bahagian. 4 bahagian. That's why it's 1/4. Okay. So, lepas tu kamu kena jawab dengan CF. What is CF guys? Cumulative frequency. CF tu jumlah frekuensi kamu, total. Okay, kekerapan longgokan, I rasa dalam BM. Cumulative frequency. Okay, so can you tell me guys, what is your cumulative frequency in this set of data? Apakah kegerapan longgokan kat sini? Apa nilai dia? Okay, form 5 can answer lah, 10. Okay, very good. Basically, kekerapan longgokan, kamu kira aja bilangan nombor kat sini. You just count how many numbers you have here. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 is your cumulative frequency. 10 adalah kekerapan longgokan kamu. Jadi untuk cari nilai kuartil pertama, kamu kena hanya ambil 1/4 darab 10. Kamu akan dapat 2.5. Okay, 2.5. Apa saya boleh buatkan nilai ni guys? What can I modify to this value? 1/4 memang, ya betul. Kuartil pertama selalunya 1/4. Tapi yang ni bergantung kepada soalan lah. The cumulative frequency is depend on the data given in the question. Bergantung kepada set data yang diberikan. Tapi yang ni adalah nilai tetap. This is a constant value. 1/4 pemalar. Okay. So this one, 2.5 guys. Adakah ini nilai yang saya akan ambil untuk jawab soalan pertama? Is this the value I will take to answer my question? 2.5. Take second and third value divide by 2. No need to do like that actually, Samnat. Kamu tak perlu buat macam tu. Actually this one guys, the one I find over here, this represents the position of the data. Di mana kedudukan data itu? Saya buat yang ni, Q1. Bila saya guna kaedah ini. So, pada kedudukan 2.5, saya boleh bundarkan ni sebenarnya. 2.5 bila saya bundarkan, saya dapat 3. So, it's actually in the third place of the data. You have to round off guys, kamu kena bundarkan. Sebab tak ada kedudukan yang wujud 2.5. We cannot take like that. Kita perlu ada nombor bulat. So, kena bundarkan 2.5 kepada 3. Because we want kedudukan now. Kita mau kedudukan nombor 2. Okay, so can you count and see? Nilai apa ada pada kedudukan ketiga? Which value is in the third position? Based on the data, can you tell me the answer? From left to right, dari kiri ke kanan. Yes, very good. 5. Okay, 5 is your answer. Okay, so this is how we solve the question. Jawapan kamu 5. Can you understand guys? Boleh faham kaedah yang saya gunakan? Ingat, selalu kena bundarkan to find the correct answer. Another method guys, saya tunjukkan satu lagi kaedah bagi kamu. Kalau kamu tak faham yang ni. How can get 5? Okay, I ask you. I show second method. Kaedah kedua sekarang. This one is manual, kaedah manual. Yang tu kaedah formula. Sekarang kaedah manual. I rasa kaedah manual ni semua boleh faham lah. Sebab yang ni akan ambil masa sikit. 2, 3, 5, 7, 10, 11, 13, 16, 20, 21. 10, 11, 13, 16, 20. Okay, this is the kaedah manual lah. Manual method. Kamu potong sahaja. Guna kaedah potong di belah kiri dan kanan. You cut the numbers equally on the left hand side and right hand side. Okay guys, just now you told me cumulative frequency is 10, right? Tadi kamu bagi tahu saya kekerapan longgokan kamu adalah 10. Jadi kamu kena potong 4 nombor kat belah kiri dan 4 nombor kat belah kanan. Sebab 4 tambah 4 kamu dah potong 8 nombor. You already cut 8 numbers, each side 4. Okay, so in the middle you have left 2. So median is over here in the middle, Q2. Q2 basically adalah nilai median kamu. Okay, your median value Q2. So can I ask you, what is your median value? Based on these two values over here. Apa nilai median kamu? Bab darjah 6, Darjah 6 Afiq, I don't know darjah 6 bab apa bab dalam darjah 6. Dah tak ingat dah. What is the value guys? Apa nilai median kat sini? Based on these two values I circle. Cuba teka saja, jangan risau. Just give it a try. Yes, correct. You're right. 10.5. Because ada dua nombor kat sini. Jadi median is mean middle value. Maksud median tu nilai kat tengah-tengah. Jadi kalau kamu ada dua nombor, no choice. You have to take nilai antara tengah-tengah dua nombor ni. Iaitu 10.5. Yes, 10 plus 11 bahagi dengan 2. Betul. Okay. So this is your Q2. Tapi soalan nak Q1, kuartil pertama, first quartile. Yang ni kamu cari kuartil kedua, second quartile. Okay, so you need to do some more method actually. Kamu kena buat lebih sikit. So this one over here, sekarang kamu cuba potong. Kamu fokus kat sini ya guys. Focus your eyes over here. Let me change color first. Wait, okay. Focus here. Now kita nak kuartil pertama. We want the first quartile. So then you potong again. Kamu buat kaedah sama. Potong sini, potong dua-dua. This is your first quartile guys. Q1 kamu. Kamu dah dapat jawapan. You already find your answer. Q1 is 5. Can you understand guys? Method manual saya, kaedah manual saya. Kamu boleh dapat jawapan terus. The first a lot easier, right? That's why I told you. Kaedah manual ni ambil masa sikit. Tapi accuracy dia guarantee lah untuk dapat jawapan. Okay? So, setengah orang akan faham kaedah pertama. Setengah orang akan faham kaedah kedua. Setiap manusia berbeza kan. Each of you are different. So, you will understand different method also. So, that's why I give you two choice. Okay, so kamu kena tunjuk juga macam ni dalam exam. You need to show how you cut the numbers on the left hand side and right hand side. Kalau kamu tak mau kaedah pertama tu. Because this is also your working. Ini adalah jalan kira kamu sebenarnya. Okay, so now we find soalan kedua pula sana. Soalan kedua nak julat antara kuartil, interquartile range. Okay guys, apa formula untuk kira julat antara kuartil? What is the formula for interquartile range? Can you remind me? Equals to what? Yes, very good Syamnat. Q3 tolak dengan Q1. Pen tak bagus hari ni. Okay, Q3 minus Q1. Okay, so now kamu dah kira nilai Q1. So apa kamu kena cari sekarang? Q3 kamu. Kamu tak dapat lagi. Okay guys, kalau kamu lihat menggunakan kaedah manual ni, can you tell me what is your Q3 guys? Apa nilai Q3 kamu berdasarkan kaedah manual ni? Guna konsep yang saya terangkan tadi untuk cari Q1 kamu. Apa nilai Q3 sekarang? What's your Q3 value over here? Yes, very good. Ain, 16. Betul. Okay, maksud kamu dah faham kaedah manual ni. Okay, potong satu nombor kat sini, potong kat sini. Potong, 16. Q3, habis. Okay, tapi ini bukan jawapan akhir ya. Sebab soalan nak julat. Range. Okay, so kamu kena buat tolak. Range, bila saja kamu nampak perkataan julat, whenever you see the word range, you need to minus two values. Kena tolak antara dua nilai. Okay, so Q3 16, Q1 5, answer 11. Very good. Okay, habis soalan kedua. Okay, can you understand guys? This second question, boleh faham? Soalan kedua ni? Yeah, easy ya so far. Okay, this one SPM paper guys. Soalan sebenar SPM, saya tak tipu. Yang ni soalan yang saya duduki. This is the question I set for my SPM. The exact question. Sekarang saya go to balik dengan you all. Boleh rasa tak macam mana saya rasa sekarang? Lihat balik soalan yang saya buat dalam exam hari itu, masa February. Exact same question. Yes, the one I set for. Soalan yang saya duduki. Sekarang saya lihat balik. Dan sekarang ajar kamu. Masa tu saya jawab. Sekarang saya ajar kamu balik. Yeah, it already came out. SPM 2022. Batch 05 yang tu. Sekarang kamu semua batch 06 dan 07. Yang ni batch 05 punya. This is 05 batch question. Okay, so question 2 done already. So now question 3. Okay, guys. Yeah, dah keluar. I think they already start to sell the book. You can try to find out. Kamu boleh cari online code. Okay, so this one, can you tell me guys, topik apa yang ni? Bagi tahu nama topik. Chapter 3 form 4. Yes, correct. Logical reasoning. Okay, penakulan logik bab ni. Siapa suka bab ni? Anyone tak suka bab ni? Tolong bagi tahu. Saya rasa banyak tak suka bab ni. Ya, betul. Macam BM sebenarnya. Ya. Actually, to be honest, secara jujur saya tak tahu macam mana bab ni boleh dikategorikan di bawah matematik. I don't know how they categorize this chapter under mathematics also. This is under like law. Macam pening sangat. Sebab yang ni bukan matematik sebenarnya. Kalau kamu lihat betul-betul. This is more about like debate. Macam tu. Yeah, it's easy to score lah. Betul pun. Kamu ada point kat situ. Okay. So tak apalah, jawab saja. Okay, so you see the question. Okay, first question quite typical. Soalan sangat lazim keluar dalam bab ni. Okay. Converse and contrapositive. Kamu kena tulis akas dan contrapositive bagi pernyataan ini. Okay guys, I want to ask you first question. What format is this? Apa format pernyataan ini? What is the general format we write a statement in? Apa format kita tulis sesuatu pernyataan? Usually you got something, comma, something. What is the format? Yes, very good, Shamnat. If P, then Q. Jika P, maka Q. Okay? If P, then Q. Okay, so now they want converse. Okay, converse guys, can you remind me? Converse macam mana? Macam mana kita tulis akas? How will the statement change? Macam mana pernyataan ini akan berubah kalau saya nak tulis akas sekarang, converse? Yes, very good. Tukar kedudukan saja, songsang. Yes, correct. If Q, then P. Okay, kamu tukar saja. Jadi jawapan kamu untuk akas, your answer for converse is if 2x minus 3 equals 5, then x equals 4. Okay, that is your answer for converse. Contrapositive pula guys, macam mana? What is the format untuk contrapositive? Apa format dia? What's the format guys? No, not Shamnat. Not that one. I think you're confused a bit. Converse and contrapositive always related guys. Kedua-dua ni bermula dengan huruf C kan? These two words start with C, right? So remember, kamu ikut format yang sama. Cuma, yes, you just add a negation to the Q and P. Okay, jangan ubah kedudukan P dan Q. Hanya tambah negation tu. Bukan pernyataan tu lah sebenarnya. Negate Q and then negate P. Okay, so the answer for that will be if 2x minus 3 tak sama dengan. Kena tulis simbol ni ya guys. You need to write this symbol. Tak sama dengan. Not equal to 5. Then x is not equal to 4 also. Must have this symbol in your answer. This is negation. Kamu menafikan pernyataan yang diberi dalam soalan. We deny the statement given the question. So this is contrapositive. Okay. So you can see the answer over here. Kamu boleh jawapan kat sini. Okay, so it's over here. Yang ni soalan 2, soalan 3 kat sini. Okay, so this is how the answer look like. Okay guys, can you understand question A? How to do it? Boleh faham? Macam mana saya dapat jawapan? Yang ni tak ada banyak nak explain sebenarnya. This is you must remember. Ini adalah fakta. Tak ada konsep di belakang ni sebenarnya. So there is not much for me to explain actually. Tak boleh buat apalah. Mereka buat bab ni dalam matematik. So tak apalah, hadapi saja yang ni. Okay, never mind. We go next one. Yang ni saya boleh explain sikit. Sebab yang ni berkaitan dengan pola. The second question is about pattern. So I can explain slightly to you. Okay, wait. Okay. Pernah nampak soalan macam ni tak guys? Have you seen this kind of questions dalam bab penakulan logik in logical reasoning chapter? Have you seen this kind of question? Yes, very common, right? Okay, good. And the pen not responding. I might use my hand. Okay. Induction guys. Sekarang kita buat kesimpulan secara induktif. Okay. Induction. Kesimpulan umum. Berdasarkan pola nombor. Okay. So can you tell me kalau kamu boleh dapat jawapan, what is the answer for this? Yang ni tak perlu kira pun. No need to calculate. What is your final answer? This one. Kalau kamu faham kesimpulan secara induktif. Inductive conclusion. 8n square minus 4. N equals 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, very good. Okay guys, refer to Aifeh answer. Tengok pada jawapan Aifeh, that is the exact thing you should write in the exam. Ini adalah soalan, ini adalah jawapan sebenar yang kamu kena tulis. Ikut sebiji-biji macam tu. Kamu kena tulis ikut format ini. Okay, comma, kena letak comma. N sama dengan 1, 2, 3, 4. Dot, dot, dot. Okay. So ini adalah nilai N kamu sebenarnya. If I zoom in over here, I use different color to show the difference. Okay, ini adalah nilai N kamu kat tengah-tengah ini. Okay, N sama dengan 1, 2, 3, 4. Yang lain mengapa saya tak letak N guys? Can you tell me why this 4 I never add an N? Why the 8 I never put N? Mengapa saya tak tambah N kat 8 dan 4 tu? Why? Why only 1, 2, 3, 4 saya tambah N tu? What is the function of N? Apa fungsi N tu sebenarnya? Siapa-siapa ada sebab untuk soalan saya? Anyone can give a reason? Yes, betul. Bilangan yang boleh diubah sahaja. Very good. Yang ni kamu nampak kuantiti dia kekal sama kat semua nombor yang berbeza. The pattern remain the same. Tolak 4 sampai ke bawah. Yang ni 8 darab, 8 darab. Tengok semua sama. Tapi yang berubah kat tengah-tengah ini je. The changing one is in the middle only. Okay, yeah, 4 and 8 are constant. 4 dan 8 adalah pemalah dalam pola ini. So that is why we just write back the number lah. Tak perlu ubah apa-apa. Okay, so we done this question. So until here, can understand guys? Boleh faham soalan ni? Kita dah habis soalan ketiga. We done the third question already. Okay, next one. Number 4. This one good. Okay guys, tingkatan berapa ni? Which one? Which form? Which chapter? No, not form 3. Bukan form 3 yang ni. Yes, form 4 chapter 10. Okay, see carefully the question a bit. Cash flow, where you studied cash flow. Okay, aliran tunai ni kamu belajar kat form 4 bab 10. Okay, so monthly cash flow. So now, first question, soalan pertama ni adalah fakta sebenarnya. You can get the answer from the textbook. So anyone remember this fact? What is step Y? Apa langkah Y ni? This one is either you know or you don't know. Kamu tahu atau tak tahu saja. Sebab yang ni adalah fakta. Wow, Syamnat, not bad. You remember the step actually. Evaluating financial status. Very good. Okay, so this is your answer for Y step. Kalau dalam BM adalah, saya pun kena translate. Pelan kewangan. Status kewangan lah. Menilai status kewangan kot dalam BM saya rasa. Menilai status kewangan. Jawapan dia. Okay. So, no need to worry lah guys. Kalau kamu hilang satu markah ni pun jangan risau. It won't cost you anything. Okay, so jangan stuck kat soalan ini sebab kamu tak tahu yang jawab yang ni saja. Terus pergi ke soalan bawah. Satu markah hilang tak apa. Kamu ada lebih banyak markah untuk gain. Okay, kalau kamu tak ingat yang ni. If you don't remember this, just go to the next question. Don't worry. Because it's only 1 mark. Okay. So next one, part B. So this one now calculation already, soalan pengiraan. Okay, so we see, okay, so let me use a different color. Okay, so this person, Puan Shafina, works as an interior designer with monthly salary. Okay, selalu bila ada nilai terus highlight atau bulatkan. Whenever you see values in the question, always circle it up. Okay, and then got another income also from the monthly house rental. Kedua-dua ini adalah income. Okay, this is money gain. Dia sedang dapat wang sekarang. Okay, tapi yang ni adalah dia hilang wang. Dua nilai ini. This is losing money, expenses. Okay, the monthly variable expenses and the monthly fixed expenses. Perbelanjaan tetap bulanan dan perbelanjaan tidak tetap bulanan. Okay, so now they want you to calculate cash flow, aliran tunai. Okay, so what is the formula untuk kira aliran tunai? Apa formula dia to calculate monthly cash flow? Siapa-siapa sini Form 5 can answer. Anyone who is Form 5 here boleh jawab soalan ini. But Form 4 I rasa tak boleh. Income minus perbelanjaan. Wow, betul. Yes, total income minus total expense. Correct. Okay, your answer is right. Betul. Income minus expenses. Okay, so if I tell cash flow adalah nilai positif, apa maksud dia? Can you tell me? Kalau aliran tunai kamu adalah positif, apa situasi ini? What does this situation show? Profit, correct. If cash flow zero, what does this situation show? Kalau aliran tunai kamu sama dengan kosong. No net profit, correct. If cash flow negative, kalau aliran tunai negatif pula, loss, correct. Very good. Okay, so kamu kena faham semua situasi inilah. Got 3 possible situation. 3 kemungkinan kat sini. Okay, so got one more thing actually. You must read carefully. Not only got 4 values, you must see this one also. 12% of fixed monthly savings. She set the salary as fixed monthly saving. Okay, so 12% of salary. Salary dia berapa guys? Apa nilai gaji dia sekarang? Kamu kena ambil kira kat sini. Based on this statement, what value you have to use? Salary. Yes, very good. 8500 over here. Okay, jangan ambil kira yang ni juga guys. Jangan tambah nilai ni dengan nilai ni. You don't need to plus because 1200 is, if you see carefully, 1200 itu bukan gaji dia sebenarnya. 1200 datang dari rental sebenarnya. Okay, so you don't need to add that value. Yang tu adalah hasil sewa, rental. Okay, so you don't need to add the value. So 12% she set as monthly saving. So can you count the value? Berapa nilai yang ni? You will get, I think, 1020. 12% set as fixed monthly saving. Okay, so fixed monthly saving, nilai dia adalah yang ni. Simpanan tetap bulanan, fixed monthly saving is this value basically. Yang ni. So kamu akan dapat RM 1020. This is your answer. Okay, so can you understand this guys? Boleh faham pengiraan kat sini? Macam mana saya dapat? Can boleh. Okay, bagus. So, okay guys. So now you have 5 value basically. Kamu ada gaji dia, kamu ada hasil sewa dia, kamu ada nilai ini. Lepas tu kamu ada 2 perbelanjaan. Perbelanjaan tetap dengan perbelanjaan tak tetap. So nilai ini, this nilai, do we add or minus? This one. Adakah kita tambah atau tolak nilai ini sebenarnya? Think carefully. Fikir betul-betul. Plus or minus? Tambah atau tolak nilai ni guys? 1020. Plus. Yang lain? Sama? Others? Plus. Minus. Plus. Sama. Sekarang plus tengah menang. 3-1. Okay guys, so I declare the answer. I don't know. Okay. So I declare the answer. The answer is actually minus. Okay, if you see your textbook carefully, Form 4 chapter 10, kalau kamu nampak bab 10 kat textbook kamu, they'll always put this word in front in the table. Mereka akan lukis jadual dan say minus fixed monthly saving. Have you all seen this word guys? Mereka akan cakap tolak simpanan tetap bulanan. They'll write that in the column dalam jadual tu. Have you all seen this? Pernah nampak yang ni tak? Minus fixed monthly saving. Can comment if you have seen this? No. Okay, others? Yang lain pernah nampak yang ni? Whenever you draw your financial plan, bila kamu lukis plan kewangan kamu, you have to always write this, minus fixed monthly saving. Kena tulis perkataan ni dalam jadual kamu. Didn't realize. Okay, so now you know. Okay, so income basically plus, perbelanjaan basically minus, kena ketak yang ni jugalah. Okay, so can you tell me your final answer? Apa aliran tunai kamu sekarang? What is your final answer for this question over here? Cuba tambal dan tolak nilai-nilai dalam kalkulator kamu. These are all the values. Kamu boleh nampak dalam soalan kat sini. Beritahu jawapan akhir terus. Give your final answer for question B. This one is 1020. Nilai ni kita dah kira 1020. Yes. Very good, Shamnat. Answer is 720. Jawapan akhir kamu adalah 720. So you can see my working over here. Okay, this is how your working will look like. 12% times salary, tadi kita dapat nilai ni kan, we got this value, 1020. And then, saya kena tambah dengan, yang ni saya tambah dengan income dulu. Hasil sewa bulanan tambah dengan gaji dia. The salary plus the, what is it? The house rental, the income from the house rental. So, saya lepas tu tolak dengan 1020 nilai ni tadi saya cakap. So, saya akan dapat 8680. Okay, lepas tu tolak dua jenis perbelanjaan dia. Perbelanjaan tetap dengan perbelanjaan tidak tetap. You minus the two types of expense, fixed and variable. So then you'll get your answer. Boleh faham guys? Can you understand soalan nombor 4 macam mana? Yes, okay, very good. So kamu boleh nampak guys, trend SPM. Soalan tak susah sebenarnya. The question is not hard. Only your school exam, soalan dalam peperiksaan sekolah kamu akan susah. Tapi kamu lihat, 4 soalan pertama dalam SPM. Kamu cakap kat diri sendiri, kamu boleh score tak markah penuh semua soalan ini? You ask yourself, can you score full mark from all these questions? But you have to be form 5 lah dulu. Sebab beberapa bab kamu belum belajar lagi. So form 5 lah saya cakap sekarang. Can you score full mark or not? You ask yourself based on how you see the question lah. So if your answer is yes, kalau kamu jawapan kamu ya, maksud kamu dah sedialah untuk SPM kamu sebenarnya. Okay. So this one not that hard, bukan begitu susah pun, but slightly higher level lah sikit. Okay, so this one is lower form topic juga. Ini adalah topik menengah rendah juga. So they show a layout of a cafe. Rhombus, guys. This one, I tell you first thing, masa saya SPM 2022, when I sit for this paper in SPM 2022, semua kawan saya tanya satu soalan kat saya. All my friends ask this one question. What is the formula for a rhombus? Apa formula untuk kira luas rhombus? Anyone know? Sebab semua start kat sini. Tak tahu buat dah. Sebab tak tahu formula rhombus. What is the formula of a rhombus? They don't know how to solve this whole question is because they don't know apa luas rhombus. Apa formula kena guna. Anyone know here? Sebab saya jangka tak banyak tahu pun kat sini. I know a lot don't know, so he over here. That's why I asked this question. Oh, you buat segitiga. Afiq, macam mana buat segitiga? Saya pun tak tahu macam mana kamu angkat segitiga kat sini. Macam ni ke? Segitiga tu dah terlalu kompleks. 3 markah saja, Afiq. Only 3 marks. Takut mereka nak kamu buat segitiga tu. 3 markah saja. 1 markah jawapan, 2 markah untuk jalan kira saja. Only 2 marks for working. Anyone know formula of a rhombus? Can you tell me? No, Chia Yuan. That one is for trapezium. Now I ask formula for rhombus. This one is trapezium formula. Luas trapezium. PQ over 2. PQ. What do you mean by PQ, Shamnat? Do you mean constant, pemala, P dan Q2? Setengah, garis tengah dan garis tepi. Line sama-sama, I want to see. Others? Diagonal 1 times diagonal. Wah, banyak jawapan lah kat sini. Okay, so I tell the answer. Others want to try yang lain? Banyak tak tahu formula ni sebenarnya. Okay guys, so area of rhombus, simple formula only actually. Sangat senang. You see the info in the question. Just look at the question first. One info over here. Never mind. Saya terangkan kat kamu. Jangan risau. Wait 10. Height of the rhombus is 1/3 length of PU. So can you tell me guys, apa tinggi rhombus sekarang? Kalau kamu faham pernyataan ini. What is the value of height of the rhombus? Apa ketinggian rhombus kamu sekarang? Rhombus is BM is also rhombus, okay. Apa ketinggian dia? Yes, very good Aifeh, betul. Sebab 1/3 daripada panjang PU. Means 1/3 times 24. So you get 8 as your height. Okay guys, so now, adakah kamu mempunyai cara untuk kira diagonal? Do you have any method to count the diagonal of the rhombus? Now I ask you back the question. Adakah kamu mempunyai kaedah untuk cari diagonal in BM is called perpenjuru ke? Saya pun dah lupa. Diagonal of this rhombus. Do you have any method? Can you tell me? Yes or no? Tengok betul-betul rhombus ni. Adakah kamu mempunyai kaedah untuk cari diagonal over here? Diagonal is this one. If anyone don't know what's the meaning of diagonal, you can refer over here. This is what we call as diagonal. This and this. Bahagi tengah. Bahagi tengah. Yes, can also, but I also count for you. Let me count and see whether can get. Tapi Aifeh, is this angle 90 ya? Adakah sudut ni 90 atau tak? No, potato, sorry. Cannot. Pythagoras theorem tak boleh. Is this 90 or not? First. Adakah sudut ni 90? Then you have your answer already. So there's actually one formula over here you can use. Diagonal tak boleh guys. We cannot use diagonal. If you know this formula, area is base times height. Ini adalah formula rhombus. Diagonal tak boleh Kaisara. This one a bit susah untuk diagonal. You can use one formula. Base. This base, basically this one. Let me show a different color. Purple. This is the base. This is the height. You can calculate area daripada tapak kali tinggi. You can calculate the area of rhombus from base times height. Height kamu dah cari 8 tadi. Soalan dah bagi tahu 1/3 of length PU. 1/3 daripada panjang PU. Means is 8 lah. 1/3 times 24. So that's why luas untuk rhombus sekarang kamu adalah 80. Okay guys, can you understand this? Macam mana kira luas rhombus sekarang? Base times height only. Sangat senang. Tapak kali tinggi saja. Later I will show you one image from Google to calculate area of rhombus. Saya akan hantar dalam group. Wait, I send now to you all lah. Apa? Let me send now to you all in the group so that you all can see. So sampai sini boleh faham tak guys? Can you understand? Try to comment and see. I want to know whether you can understand first or not. Can okay. So I just show the proof to you all in the group. Macam mana saya dapat formula ni? So check your WhatsApp guys. Tengok WhatsApp kamu. Saya hantar dalam group. Hello. You joined today also. Okay guys, you can see in the group the message. Formula to calculate area of rhombus using base and height. A equals B times H. You can see, what happened? Okay guys, so now this is the fact lah. You will know already now. Ini adalah fakta dia. Cikgu buruan. Okay, so now you look back at the question. Tengok balik soalan kamu. They want length of QP. Okay, QP means this length lah basically. So kamu kena tahu luas trapezium dulu. You need to know the area of the trapezium. Baru kamu boleh apply formula trapezium untuk cari panjang PQ. That is the idea. We need to know area of trapezium. Then we can find the length of PQ. So now we have this area. Okay, yang ni guys. Satu lagi informasi yang soalan beri. Area of main dining section is 6 to 8. 6 to 8 ini kawasan berlorek ke atau kawasan tidak berlorek? 628 ini. Is 6 to 8 representing your shaded region or unshaded region? Can you answer me? Yes, very good, Shamnat. Unshaded. Okay, 6 to 8 is over here. So you can already find out the area of the trapezium sebenarnya. Kamu boleh cari luas seluruh trapezium. Yang ni tambah dengan yang ni. Okay, so you will get 6 to 8 plus 80, you will get 708 as your total area. Luas keseluruhan kamu adalah 708. Okay, so now you apply the trapezium formula. Tadi I rasa one person told the formula actually. So this is the formula untuk kira luas trapezium. Okay. So basically A plus B guys, what does this represent? Can you tell me? Apa yang diwakili oleh nilai A tambah B kamu? Yes, sum of parallel sides. Very good. Hasil tambah dua sisi yang selari. Okay, so kat sini guys, can you identify for me? Wait, now let me rub for you. Then only you can see. Okay, can you tell me which are the two parallel sides for this whole trapezium? Apa dua sisi selari bagi seluruh trapezium ini? Tell me the label. Apa label dia? Yes, very good. QP and SU, two parallel sides, correct. Okay, you can see over here actually. QP and SU is actually parallel. Okay, TU, we never find the length this one yet. Kita tak tahu panjang ni. Tengok kat sini, ada satu lagi info. ST to TU, nisbah dia 1/4. Okay, so kamu kena faham konsep nisbah. You need to understand the concept of ratio actually. So, if they give you ST, they already give you an info over here. Panjang ST tu 10. Ratio to TU. Ratio is 1/4. So can you tell me guys directly, apa panjang TU kamu sekarang? What is the length of TU if you understand the ratio given? Yes, very good. 40. Kali 4 saja. Just times the length of ST by 4. You will get 40. Okay. So total length kamu kena ganti dalam formula kamu adalah 10 tambah 40. Jadi 50. And then tambah dengan panjang PQ. Sebab soalan nak kamu cari panjang PQ. Find the length of PQ. You can see over here. Okay, so berdasarkan diagram ini, what is the height of the trapezium, guys? Apa tinggi trapezium kamu kat sini? Where is the height? Yes, very good. 24. Betul. Okay, you can see over here. 24 adalah ketinggian trapezium kamu. So you just substitute all the values into the formula over here to calculate for your PQ. So PQ tambah dengan 50, lepas tu darab dengan 24. Sama dengan 708. Okay, so then you can, kamu boleh buat algebra kat sini untuk cari PQ. Setengah, kamu boleh potong yang ni dengan 24, become 12. Okay, you can cancel. 12 PQ plus 50 equal 708. Okay, so then over here, how to find PQ? Kamu boleh bahagi dua-dua belah persamaan. You can divide both sides of the equation by 12. So you'll get PQ plus 50 equals to 59. Kalau kamu kira betul-betul, you'll get 59. So jadi panjang PQ kamu adalah 9. Okay guys, can you understand this question? Boleh faham soalan ni? We solved the question already. Soalan 5. Sedikit panjang tapi I hope you all can understand lah. I hope kamu semua faham. Can Okay. Others all okay? Can you respond? Boleh faham tak soalan kelima ni? Okay, good Yang ni level dia up sikit berbanding 4 soalan lepas. Compared to the 4 earlier question, this question harder a bit. Okay. How to get 1/2? You mean this one? Chong An? Do you mean this 1/2? Oh, that one is part of the formula. Area of trapezium formula is 1/2 times A plus B times H. Itu adalah rumus dia. The 1/2 not just come like that suddenly. It's part of the formula. So I have to write 1/2 out. Okay, so I hope you understand that one. So we go next question. Okay. So next question, question number 6. This one. Okay, this one form 5 only. How to get 12? Wait, how to get 12? Wait, 12. Kat mana 12 tu? Oh, this one. Ain. Satu, wait, use different color. Then you can see. 1/2 kali 24. Jadi kamu dapat 12. 2 dan 24 tu potong. Bahagi 2 antara satu sama lain. 1/2 times 24, you get 12. Okay. So next one. So yang ni, which chapter guys from this question? If you see here, tingkatan berapa this one? Yang ni topik yang kamu tak suka kot, this chapter. Chapter 3 form 5. No, not form 4, chapter 9 of course. This one form 5. Yeah, okay. Siapa tak suka bab ni? Can you tell me? Who don't like this chapter? I rasa banyak pun tak suka bab ni. Yeah, form 3 also got, but it's consumer mathematics. Matematik pengguna. Yang ni is bab insurance. Sometimes okay. Tapi yang ni soalan pengiraan lah, bukan fakta. So I rasa boleh lah. Okay. I like it, but sometimes kinda confusing. Okay, so guys, I did one video on this chapter. If you know my YouTube channel, saya pernah buat chapter ni satu kali. Dalam, I think 2 weeks ago, 2 minggu lepas, saya ada buat satu video tentang bab ni. So if you're confused a bit, you can look at my YouTube channel. Okay, so you can find this video actually. Kamu boleh jumpa video ni, Form 5 chapter 3. Okay, so kamu boleh tengok lah sikit macam mana nak jawab soalan berkaitan dengan bab ni saja. So, we look at this question first lah. So, pertama kali, first of all, you need to understand that this chapter no formulas are given. Okay, formula yang kompleks-kompleks tu tak diberi dalam kertas exam kamu. There is no formula sheet that has insurance formula. Kebanyakan lah. I rasa topik ni 2 formula saja diberikan dalam exam kamu. If I'm right lah. If I didn't memorize wrongly. Wah, Afur, so fast 80% times. Okay, correct. You're going the correct step. Yeah. Okay, guys. Yeah, correct. Okay, so this one, basically what Afros did, can you tell me, quantity 2, the 240,000, apa quantity 2, what does that value represent? 80% times 300,000. Dalam BM pun boleh kata, BI pun boleh kata, langkah tu, kita cari apa sekarang? Yes, correct, insured value. Okay? Yeah, insured value lah. Insured value actually got another term also in English, if you realize lah. Insured value is basically amount of required insurance. Required insurance. Okay, this is one thing you all must know. Insured value is amount of required insurance. Jumlah insuran yang diperlukan. Okay, insured value is wait. Amount of insurance purchase. Sorry, it's not required insurance. The amount of insurance purchase. Jumlah insurance yang dibeli. Okay, these two mean the same thing, guys. Membawa maksud yang sama. Kedua-dua perkataan ini. Okay, so now you can see on top here, apa lagi info yang diberi? This nilai. Nilai ni kamu ada satu lagi info. Wait, let me wrap this. Okay, you see the nilai over here. 200,000, 200,000. Insured this house. Okay, this value is what, guys? Mewakili apa? Quantity apa? If this one is amount of insurance purchase, this value is what then? 200,000. What quantity does it represent? Quantity apa? Just give it a guess. Cuba saja, jangan risau. 200,000. Insure this house with an amount of 200,000. Try to think. If tak tahu pun boleh cakap tak tahu, okay? Jangan risau. If you don't know, just say don't know. In the chat box, I'll explain to you. Chat box lag, guys. Where's the response? You know response, I'm going to call name. Saya akan panggil nama kalau tak ada response. What is 200,000 representing? Apa yang diwakili oleh 200,000 tu, guys? This 200,000, what does it represent? $200,000 minus 240. No, first I'm asking what does this value represent? Apa yang diwakili oleh quantity ini? What is the term? Insurance yang dibayar. Bukan? No? Yang lain, others? Have you all heard this term, guys? Value of insurance. No. Have you all seen this term? Amount of required insurance? Semua pernah nampak yang ni tak? Jumlah insurance yang diperlukan. Have you all seen this, guys? Amount of required insurance? Seen, right? Okay, so this is the two things that I want here. Okay? Yang perlu dibayar. Oh, dalam BM is yang perlu dibayar. Okay? Jumlah insurance yang perlu dibayar. Okay, so this is the one lah. So then they ask amount of compensation. Okay. Loss to 30,000. Okay, which formula will we apply over here? I show you the formula shape, then you tell me to isikan tempat kosong. Lebih senang macam tu. Kalau kamu type seluruh formula nanti susah. Okay guys, this formula to calculate compensation untuk kira pampasan. Have you all seen this format of formula? Pernah nampak ke sebelum ni? This type of formula format. What is the thing on top here? Apa kita isi kat atas ini on the fraction? What do we write? Which quantity? You can tell the value, so kamu boleh cakap nilai, lebih senang. Berdasarkan soalan ini. Based on this question, you try to fill in the values. Okay, this value first, guys. What is this value? Insured value. No. Amount of insurance purchase is your insured value, Shamnat. Remember, whenever got two fraction, if you came my class last time, you will know one thing. This value on top of the fraction, is it less than or more than? Nilai yang lebih kecil atau nilai yang lebih besar kita isi atas pecahan ini. Do we put a smaller value here or bigger value here? Can you tell me? Are you sure more than? Yes, very good. Smaller. Correct. Means 200,000 is smaller than 240,000. Why smaller, guys? Mengapa lebih kecil? Yes, very good. Never mind. Okay. So bottom value, bigger value or smaller value, guys? Nilai lebih besar atau nilai lebih kecil? Yeah, for you, small is better such way. 240,000, correct. Okay. So then over here, what value, guys? Nilai apa kita isi? Times something based on the formula. Berdasarkan formula, what do we put? If you want to see the question, you can see over here. What is the nilai? Apa nilai kita isi? Padu. Deductible. Bukan. No. Another quantity yang lain. Other than deductible. What do we have here? Apa lagi info kita ada? Soalan A. Look carefully. Any other quantity you all see, guys? Open your eyes big, huh? Amount. Amount of what? Of course. Bukan? No, we don't use percentage to isi, guys. This value, no. Yes, correct, Shamnat. Finally, loss. Okay, don't forget, you have one value in the question, guys. Kerugian. Nilai kerugian kamu. Kamu akan darab yang tu. Over here. Okay, this bracket is for kerugian actually. Okay, your 30,000 is basically put inside here. And then this one, guys, what do we see? Quantity apa? What value we put inside this bracket? Yes, correct, deductible. So jangan confuse, mana letak kerugian, mana letak deductible tu. Make sure you all know. Okay, 2,500, I think, if I'm not mistaken. Wait, yeah. Okay, so if you count the value for this, you can actually get the answer. So your answer will be actually, kamu pun kena kira, guys. You all have to count also on your own. You will get an answer of 22,500. Okay, so this is your answer. Untuk A. So can understand, guys? Boleh faham pengiraan untuk A? I hope you all know. So we go B, So B, co-insurance penalty. Okay, this one. Okay, so you all know or not how to calculate co-insurance penalty? Anyone know? Macam mana nak kira nilai penalty co-insurance? Don't know. Of course you don't know lah. You're not studying that now. I'm asking my students. Wahai anak-anak sekalian over here, what is the how to calculate co-insurance? Macam mana? Yang ni, co-insurance penalty value. Aiyo. This one is state guys. You see the word state here. State means no need much working. Tak perlu banyak jalan kira. See the keyword state. You two stop chatting. I want the others to give a chance. Yang lain, macam mana nak kira yang ni? If you don't know, respond don't know. How to count this? Co-insurance. Not sure. Okay, no worries. I tell. Okay, this one a bit complicated lah. I don't blame you all. Sedikit complex to understand. But you all should know lah. Because the question can ask. This one you learn, Niveda. This thing. Okay, so basically the formula is, you see your textbook, kalau kamu refer balik pada tingkatan 5 punya textbook, you can actually find this formula. Actually quite long for me to write also. As long tingkatan 5 kat sini tak lupa, so okay. Formula ni tak diberi guys. This formula not provided in your exam, so you need to know. Actually why I doing all this? I can just show my solution actually. Saya boleh tunjuk. Just see here guys, easier. Kenapa saya tulis macam pun saya tak tahu. There, over here, co-insurance penalty. Sachwe habis, SPM forget everything. Oh, you know Sachwe, Steven? I didn't know that. Oh, Bukit Jambul also. Oh, I see. Okay. I didn't know. Okay, so this is the formula. See my power. Bukit Jambul pun dah tahu saya punya nama. Okay, so this is the formula. Amount of loss minus amount of insurance purchase over amount of required insurance times amount of loss. Okay, this is the formula. So macam mana dapat yang ni guys? How to know this value? You basically take this value only. You just take that value. Kamu ambil nilai tu saja. Jangan tolak dengan 2,500. You see, you sub this value over here. And then amount of loss, 30,000, you get the answer. Tolak dua buah value. Even exposing such way. Okay guys, can understand? Boleh faham soalan ni? Yang lain. Okay, can don't care a lot about them because they're talking a lot. Okay, so next question. Jump to page. Okay. Oh, got one more over here. Okay, soalan ke-7. This question also quite, what to say? Okay. So this question sedikit susah, a bit difficult, but can lah. I think can do. Okay. So this one basically, what concept you need to use guys? Kalau kamu nampak macam ni, soalan macam ni, konsep apa kena guna? What concept you need to use to solve this kind of question? We want to find out X now. Kita nak cari nilai X. Try to recall semua benda yang kamu belajar dalam matematik. Cuba saja, just try. What concept we need to use over here? Don't go, oh yeah. Can, yes. I agree with you. AX squared plus BX plus C can, but the main part, apa concept utama, the main part of this to solve the question? Kaidah utama over here. AX square plus BX is the last step. Langkah terakhir untuk selesaikan. Area. Other than that, other than area, what will you form? Apa yang kamu akan bentuk kat sini? Yes, yes, correct. Other than that, yes, equation. What type of equation? Apa jenis persamaan? Not quadratic. Quadratic, not the answer. What type of equation you have learned so far? Jenis persamaan. Yes, very good, Aife. Persamaan serentak. Simultaneous equation. Always remember, guys, when you want to find x, something like that, you have to involve simultaneous equation, persamaan serentak. Because you see over here, you have one info over here. Kamu ada satu maklumat kat sini. Atas pun kamu ada satu maklumat. So actually we can use the persamaan serentak concept. Kamu boleh guna kaedah penyelesaian secara serentak. Okay, so now the problem is we have to form the two equation. Masalah sekarang kita kena bentuk dua-dua persamaan tu. So this one you see over here. Hexagonal part is for the children. The rest is the adults. Okay, so they say children, this one is 12/4/7. Okay, luas dia, area of the hexagon. And the remaining area over here, basically this whole area lah, is 107/3/7. So jangan takut dengan nombor-nombor ni semua. You can change it to improper fraction. Pecahan tak wajar. Kalau kamu tak suka nombor bercampur. If you don't like the mixed numbers, just change it to improper fractions. Easier for you. Okay, so that one you can use calculator, very easy. So sekarang kamu kena cari jumlah luas seluruh yang ni. So kamu tambah dua-dua nilai ni. So kamu akan dapat jawapan macam 120. Kalau kamu tambah dua-dua nilai ni, if you plus both of these values, you will get an answer of 120 actually. You can try and see. So 120 represent what actually? The area of the whole rectangle. Luas seluruh segi empat tepat ni. So guys, can you tell me formula for area of rectangle is what? Luas segi empat tepat. Type out for me. Siapa-siapa tak tahu ni saya ketuk kepala. If anyone don't know this thing, I really come and find you and I don't know. Okay, length times width. Okay. Lucky you all say correctly. Panjang darab lebar. Okay, very good. Length times width is 120. Bagus. Okay. So now you have the, okay lah, 7x minus 2. Kamu boleh anggap ni sebagai panjang kamu pun tak apa. You can assume this as your length. Okay. Times width. We don't know the width. Kita tak tahu yang ni. Okay, this is panjang actually. Equals 120. So you can express, kamu boleh ungkapkan lebar dia dalam sebutan x. You express the width in terms of x. 120 over 7x minus 2. Ini adalah persamaan pertama kamu. First equation over here. Okay, so this is not enough for you to solve the whole question. Tak cukup lagi untuk cari nilai x. Sebab kamu ada dua nilai yang kamu tak tahu. W and x are your unknowns or variables. So now you need to form your second equation. Bentuk persamaan kedua kamu. Dari mana datang persamaan kedua kamu? Where does the second equation actually come from? You can see over here. There is one info over here they give you. Wait, Panjang salah satu sisi kolam hexagon separuh daripada lebar kolam benang. Lebar kolam benang we already assume is W. Half, separuh daripada lebar. So apa panjang satu sisi guys? Kolam hexagon. Can you tell me what is the value? Length of one side of the hexagon. Nilai apa mereka rujuk sekarang sebenarnya? Which value are they referring to here? Ada kat wajah. It is provided in the diagram actually the value. Kamu tak perlu cari pun. They just say one side of the hexagon. Maksudnya boleh jadi apa-apa sisi pun. What's the value guys? Anyone? Just attempt and see. What is the value? Untuk isi kat sini. What value guys? Just tell one value based on the diagram. Nilai itu ada kat Raja. Panjang salah satu sisi. Yes, correct. 5 over 2x. Tak susah pun. Just take that value and put inside here. Finish already. Done. So now you have two equations. Dalam ungkapan, dalam sebutan x dan w. Two equations in terms of x and w. So kamu boleh pilih mana-mana kaedah kamu suka. Okay guys, I ask you here. Substitution or elimination method easier over here. Kaedah penggantian atau penghapusan lebih senang untuk dua persamaan ini. Which one is easier you think? Yang mana lebih senang untuk cari x? Yes, correct. Substitution. Okay, that's the correct answer. Yeah. Oh, Satwe is correct. Not bad. Subway. I belanja you Subway lah. Never mind. Okay, so you will get x is 2. X is 1. Wait. 1 over 2 times 2 over. Sorry. See, you guys go and distract me lah. Hey yo. Can't focus already. Like this lah, boycott. Okay, so x is 1 over 2 w times 2 over 5. Means that x is 1 over 5 w. Or you can also ungkapkan x dalam sebutan w. Kamu boleh, you can express w in terms of x if you want also. W is 5 over 2x times 2. So you will get 5x. Mana-mana satu pun boleh guys. Either or. Kamu boleh gantikan dalam persamaan pertama kamu kat sini. So this one, you can refer over the working here. Kamu boleh lihat jalan kira saya. Not this one. Nah, this one. Aduhai. There. This is the simultaneous method I was mentioning. Okay, you can form two equations over here. Yang ni saya dah tunjuk kat kamu. This one also I show. So you see, saya gantikan 2 dalam 1. So this is why 5x datang kat sini. Lepas tu, dari sini semua adalah kuadratik kamu. Macam mana kamu bentuk kuadratik tu dalam persamaan arm? Form the general equation of a quadratic. Okay, then you can solve for your x value. Cari nilai x kamu. Okay guys, can you accept negative value? Kamu ada 2 nilai x. Can we accept negative 12/7 sebagai salah satu nilai x? No, very good. Because length cannot be negative. Okay, kamu kena tulis ditolak kat situ or rejected. So that's why your x is 2. Kamu dah jawab soalan. Cari nilai x sahaja. Okay, can you understand this question guys? Boleh faham? I think just in time for one last question. Then we wrap up for the day. Understand? Okay, good. Yeah, just nice. Soalan nombor 8. Matrix. Oh, yo, Nireda. Infinity claps. Okay, so now we have to form. Okay, yang ni pun sebenarnya kaedah penyelesaian secara serentak. Simultaneous equation. But you see the question over here. Using matrix method. Okay, I ask you guys, can we use substitution, elimination over here? Boleh tak kita guna kaedah penggantian atau penghapusan? Cannot. Very good. Okay. Cannot use substitution or elimination because a bit unclear. Yeah, I know it's unclear. The printing like that lah. Cannot do anything. Okay. So just use matrix only. Tak boleh guna yang lain. Tapi yang tingkatan 4 yang belum belajar bab matrix ni lagi, you can use this as a practice for your simultaneous lah. So it's Satche forgot to buy ink. Satche never do this PDF lah. So other people do this PDF. Why is it stuck over here? Wait guys. Oh, never mind lah. I show the solution straight away. Wait I explain from the solution easier. Okay, so you see over here. You have price of face box, of mask and hand sanitizer. So you can make an assumption. Kamu boleh buat anggapan. Satu kotak face mask is X. Price of one hand sanitizer is Y. Okay. So then you see your first situation. Package A, 3-box face mask, and then 4 bottles of hand sanitizer. You get this value. Okay, soalan dah bagi nilai ni. You can refer to the PDF I sent in the group. So that is the value provided. Soalan dah beri. So this is how you form your first equation. Yang ni mewakili quantity. This is the price for 1 unit. Harga seunit X dan Y. 3 dan 4 ni mewakili quantity face mask dan hand sanitizer. Okay, so that is for package A. And then package B, be careful lah guys. Package B, they say 2 set. Means you have to times the quantity by 2. Kamu kena jawab bilangan yang diberi dalam baja tu dengan 2. So initially they give you 2 face mask, so you need to write 4. Asalnya mereka bagi 6 botol hand sanitizer. So kena jawab 2 jadi 12. So then 4x plus 12y, yang ni pun soalan dah beri. The question give you this total value, so you can find it. 301.20. So from here, you have to use your kaedah matrix. So kalau kamu dah bentuk persamaan kamu in this form, make sure you give your 2 simultaneous equation in this form. Ax plus by equals to c. Kalau kamu ada dalam bentuk ni, you can direct sub the values actually into your matrix. Okay, you can see over here. Let me rub off a bit. So you see how I masuk the values. Macam mana saya gantikan semua nilai kat sini. You just see over here. Wait, 3, 4. 3, 4. 4, 12. 4, 12. Tengok, saya gantikan macam tu saja. Vertically. Just substitute vertically. Tak perlu tukar kedudukan pun. Then tengok, X, Y. X, Y. Okay, substitute vertically. But you must make sure it's in this form. Kena, persamaan kamu kena ada dalam bentuk ni. AX tambah BY sama dengan C. A, B dan C itu adalah pemalah. A, B and C are constants. Okay. So then equal to these two value. Saya terus gantikan saja. So dari sini you need to know lah how to use your matrix method. So basically over here kamu akan buat 1 over AD minus BC. Right, Actually kamu boleh gantikan terus, but I just show how I get this one lah. Dari formula yang ni. 1 per AD tolak BC. Okay, so I hope you know how to label your ABCD value over here. This one is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. Okay, in your matrix label macam tu. And then over here, kamu kena tukar kedudukan. When you do inverse, D and A switch position. Lepas tu letak negatif dekat B dan C. Akan jadi macam ni. Yang ni salin saja balik. Okay, kamu kena salin ni balik. Because we never multiply yet. Kita belum buat pendaraban matrix lagi. We never do yet the matrix multiplication. So you must write back. And then only you start to multiply your matrix over here. Okay, yang ni darab dengan yang ni. Lepas tu yang ni. And then you do. Yeah, I will upload my channel. Don't worry. Recording semua di-upload guys, jangan risau. Okay, so after this you can actually see kamu boleh kirakan nilai ni semua lah dalam calculator. Yang ni guna calculator saja, you can get this value. And then you divide by 20, bagi setiap nilai ni dengan 20, you will get this answer. And then this is your basically your final answer. Tapi jangan stop kat sini, kamu kena buat kesimpulan. X is price of box of face mask is 28.80. Okay, kamu kena bagi tahu balik apa soalan nak. Answer back the question always. Don't leave your answer hanging over here. Jangan bagi jawapan tergantung. Nanti pemeriksa tertanya pula. X dan Y ni apa Kalau soalan macam tu timbulkan minda pemeriksa, itu bukan tanda bagus. Okay, the examiner must not question back how you write your answer. Okay, that's not a good sign. So then Y equals price of bottle of hand sanitizer, 15.50. That's how you answer. Okay guys, are you clear on this question? Jelas tak? Bagi soalan ni. Everyone, are you clear on this question? Can you respond? But seeing decimal points in answer makes Myself question the answer. Oh, no, don't worry. Decimal point dalam matrix tu is actually quite normal. Because we are talking about price, guys. Sekarang kita bincang tentang harga. So harga usually will have decimal place lah. Because times, right? So definitely will have point something. Unless you have a exact value tanpa sen. So agak jarang lah untuk jumpa nombor bulat bagi harga. So other than that, any other question, guys? Kalau ada apa-apa soalan tentang perbincangan hari ini, still you can ask. Because we have 5 minutes left. Q&A. Because kita dah habis dah untuk hari ini. We did 8 questions already today. 8 soalan. Sure. Anyone new here can PM my number. Anyone, I know you have my number lah, Satri. Tapi siapa-siapa baru kat sini, if you're not in my group, you can always PM my number. Okay, so we see the final one. What Niveda? You ask your question first. What question? This comment. Oh, guys, any other question for those yang ambil yang tingkatan 5 sekarang? Jangan peduli mereka. Any other question you have, just ask. Recording, guys, cannot expose. This one is going to YouTube. I feel no other questions. Yang lain, any other questions? Ada banyak kat sini tahu. Kalau ada apa-apa soalan, can ask any topic. Potato, what do you mean by any topic? Any topic. Yeah, any topic question you can ask. Yeah. What question you have? Cuba buka mic. If akan jadi lebih senang untuk kamu. If you open your mic, it's easier. No, not you. Not you. Wait. Before